This is not working for me. This is working, this is not working. How are you guys? I hope you're having such a good day. I'm literally picking up right off of the last video of completely deconstructing and getting so frustrated with those bats. If you guys didn't see it, let me just tell you this. Oh, it just started showering. Oh, I love a rainy, cozy day. It's very cozy in the house today. The bats that I hung on the wall would not come down, and they left like a residue. I need to take them off of my LDK. By the time you guys see this, they will be off my LTK. I do not like promoting things like that. And to be honest, there was one, I was doing it ever so gently. I even took a hair dryer, like trying to get them off, was not working. It took the paint off on one of them. I was not impressed. I was not impressed. But today we need to deep clean. The house is trash, and I just see like a layer of dust on the windowsills, and you guys really enjoyed a deep clean with me. So we're gonna do a cleaning motivation video for you guys today. We also need to get into the Christmas bins because this is not working. I have no seasonal mugs at the moment, so I have a Gilmore Girls era mug. I picked this up because I think I shared it in a different video. I thrifted this. It was like hand painted in Italy. It was brand new. I mean, is this not out of Lorelai Gilmore's house? Or the Dragonfly Inn? And yes, I am still going strong. I have less than 1.5 seasons left of Gilmore Girls, and I'm starting to panic. This is why I don't look in to see how much longer I have. And my husband's like, how many more seasons do you have? I'm like, I don't know. I'm living in Fantasyland. Now we gotta find another show. So if there is a show you guys think I should be watching, let me know. Things that you guys think I would like, let me know in those comments below. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn my movie back on. I am watching The Holiday. The Holiday is a pretty good kickoff movie for me. It is a movie that I've seen so many times. I love sitting down watching it, but then also too, I feel like I'm watching it in my head already and I know all the things, so I'm still laughing at all the little jokes and the little puns. It's such a good one. If you guys want to know my November 1st movie, show, whatever, that I watch everything to like kick off the holiday season, it's on Disney Plus, and it's the making of the parks when they transition the parks from Halloween and fall to Christmas and holiday. And it's how they go from all the different parks and them hanging the trees and the decorations and getting everything ready. It's my November 1st. I literally sit on the couch November 1st with a cup of coffee, and that's what I watch. It might be during the day, it might be at night, but at some point on November 1st, that's what I watch. So now I'm into the like vibey Christmas spirit, but I am very chatty apparently because I didn't talk very much in my last video. But I really want to get everything cleaned up, enjoy my cup of coffee, still enjoy the season. I want these trees up. I want to like start getting like the twinkles and the lights and all of the things. It might not be all the Christmas feels yet, but I want the touches. I want to pregame the holiday season. So if you guys are excited, let me know in those comments below. I would love to hear from you guys, but let's go ahead and start cleaning, finish putting everything away, and start getting into the Christmas spirit.
All right, let's go ahead and get started. I, of course, had to start my movie because I love having some kind of background noise going on while I'm trying to get so many things done. I always like to do a top to bottom method. So essentially anything that's sitting on top of a surface, I like to take care of first. If there's something out that needs to be put in a different room that I have not touched yet, I tend to set it in that area unless I know exactly where it needs to go. I also think about all the things that could be happening while I'm doing something else. So a priority for me was getting these sconces charged. So I went ahead, grabbed the light bulbs and got them in the charger in the office. Starting from top to bottom, I typically like to go to the highest places to the lowest places. So cleaning off the mantles, cleaning off the windowsills, and cleaning off all of the surfaces that I know have been touched by a kid, a dog, and just the dust and debris. Things could always use a good cleaning. And then down to some of the furniture pieces. It's just so satisfying to me of how clean and shiny everything can get after I do a good cleaning like this. Even the mirrors, they don't ever get touched, but they just look so shiny and nice after a good cleaning. Some of these lamps are really heavy, so I don't completely take them off. I just kind of adjust them and move them out of the way and still clean and dust them as I'm in the area. I also try to clean up the legs on all of the furniture pieces because the dog hair gets on all of that quite a bit. This entry table is kind of a dumping area for us, so it is always time for a good cleaning. I actually clean this table probably multiple times during the week just because we do dump so much stuff on here, all of our packages, all of our schoolwork. It is a very utilized area in our entryway. And then again, on these bottom areas, they just get so dusty and have so much dog hair, so it's always so refreshing to get it clean. This hutch actually doesn't get that dusty and dirty because it does have doors and it is sealed up pretty good, but I did have a ton of decor in here, so I wanted to just lighten it all up, clean it up, shine it all pretty and nice, and make room for some holiday decorations. I really enjoyed decorating this area for fall and Halloween, and I think I'm going to be doing the same for the holidays. I even thought about doing a village in here, and I thought that'd be really pretty. These windows are so big. It takes every inch of me to try and get to the very top and cleaning all of the edges and making sure there's no cobwebs or extra dust in those little nook and crannies, and then definitely the windowsills. You can see I have Mr. Lincoln, and he is a shedder, so there is dog hair everywhere. The kitchen is typically one of the last places that I clean because it is such a dumping ground. I usually have dishes to do, dishes to put away. The countertops get sticky all the time. This is definitely a well-used kitchen, and just getting everything off the counters, getting everything put away is so satisfying to me. I am very much in a decluttering phase, a less is more mentality, because it's just so satisfying to have very little out instead of a ton of things out. I don't like to have a ton of appliances and things sitting on the countertops. I typically will do a little decorating area, a little place to have a lamp, and then also a little coffee area because I use those stations the most. The toaster and all the other things kind of get put away. The fridge has to be one of the smudgiest areas in this house. I don't know how the appliances can get so dirty all of the time, but giving them a fresh wipe down is so good for the soul. It just makes me feel so much better. And once I've done everything on top, I've dusted everything down, I give the whole house a good vacuum before I go in and try and vac mop. I try and go over areas multiple times, move everything out of the way because the dog hair and the dust balls tend to move as I am vacuuming. So I tend to go over things multiple times to make sure I get everything. And this rug is so great because I can vacuum right over it, and it does a pretty good job of staying clean that way. But this vac mop, you guys, I have to tell you, it's one of the favorite things that I have. For one, it's cordless. I picked it up at Walmart. It's super affordable. The trick is to wet down the roller brush. So it's easy. It pops right out, and I get it pretty saturated with water, lightly wring it out, hook it back up, and it's ready for cleaning. They do recommend to use the manufacturer's brand cleaner. I just happened to be out and I had some Pine Sol, so I decided to use that. It is so easy. I probably have to go through 2 tanks of cleaner, and I empty the tank multiple times because I get every inch of this house. But 1 tank of the cleaner actually goes pretty far. It does have a setting for spot cleaning, but it does help focus on those one areas that might just need a little bit more scrubbing, and it gets it clean. Well, I think this looks like seamlessly good. This is why I love that like vac mop so much. See how like seamless, like you can see it probably is not even going to show up on the camera. It's so little. You can see a little bit of lines, but not much. And these floors show everything. But it honestly, I feel like Mariah Carey. I think it's time. It looks so much better. I need to, like I said, I need to do a little bit. I did go ahead and put all of my Halloween stuff in here. Blakely also has some clothes in here, I see. And then the Christmas stuff that I have bought that I still need to share, I have in here as well. So I need to kind of change that out. I need to put this in the back of the closet though, so that's why I set it in here. And then I also need to order some totes. I need to order some totes to take care of like the last of this stuff. I showed you guys this, I think, in the last video, but it honestly looks so much better. Like I just feel like we have such a good start. Everything is clean. Also too, I was gonna paint this, but I think I have a tablecloth that could easily like cover the entire thing. And it's like a tartan plaid. I think it would just like pop.
because this room needs color. I really wanted to paint this room before I was gonna decorate, but I don't think we're gonna do that this year. I have to learn to do things in moderation, and I really struggle with that. So, and I don't want to rush a color, and I've changed my mind 50 times. Also too, do you see it? We have a tiny bat back there. I need to grab that. I'm watching Christmas with the Cranks, but I think I'm going to pull everything out. I think I'm gonna put it all in the closet or in the office right now and kind of sort through to get out some of the trees. But it all feels so much better. I feel like I have such a clean house. This is always like such a good feeling when everything is like sparkling clean. I think I need a snack. I had lunch not that long ago, but I think I could use like a banana, or I'm craving an avocado, like some kind of like avocado something. And I gotta go pick up the kids here soon. So I'll probably see you guys in the next one when we get out all the Christmas decorations, and we'll probably put up our first tree. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so excited to be starting all this holiday season, and I think a fresh start was the right way to go. Like, I feel like super clean and everything feels like naked and empty, but I kind of love that. Does anybody else relate to that? But thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did enjoy the video, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Hit that subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.